You and your friends go to a Miley Cyrus concert. The music is great. Everyone is yelling and singing along to Wrecking Ball, and Miley just sounds so good. Here's why.
The pinna is the visible part of the ear. It collects sound and directs it to the outer ear canal. The auditory canal channels the sound waves of the songs and the bass from the pinna to the eardrum. The eardrum or tympanic membrane vibrates when the sound wave reach it. It's made up of 3 bones called the ossei bones. The hammer passes vibrations from the eardrum to the anvil. The anvil passes vibrations from the hammer to the stirrup, and the stirrup, a U-shaped bone that passes vibrations from the stirrup to the cochlear, and this is the smallest bone in the human body. And afterward, the sound waves travel to the path of the cochlea, which is a coiled, bony fluid-filled tube in the inner ear through which sound waves trigger nerve impulses. And inside of it is the basilar membrane. It's the inner lining of the cochlea, which contains hair cells that move with the vibrating fluid in the cochlea. The hair cells, when bent, are created into nerve activity.
The auditory nerve sends neural impulses from the cochlea to temporal lobe for processing. The thalamus receives the information from auditory nerves, then sends info to the auditory cortex for further processing. The auditory cortex is in the temporal lobe where sound is further processed. The temporal lobe is involved with hearing, language processing, and memory. The escutation tube connects the middle ear to the back of the nose, equalizing pressure between the middle ear and our outside area, aka popping ears. The cervicular canals are 3 loops of fluid-filled tubes that are attached to the cochlea in the inner ear. This helps maintain balance.